gonna make one of our favorite meals for tonight. It's like a shredded chicken bowl. I just buy chicken breasts, usually like 6 to 8. I'll put all of them in there. I just get a bunch of bell peppers, so I got some green, red, and yellow. I love to use this green salsa in the crock pot. And then my trusty jasmine rice. I'll show you how to make Mexican-ish jasmine rice to go in the shredded chicken taco bowls. So I do this in the crock pot all day, this chicken. You guys, you're gonna love this. Okay, so I've added the green salsa, cumin, paprika, and chili powder. And yes, I put a lot in there. And then I just kind of massage it around and kind of get it like mixed up in there, get all the chicken coated in it. And you guys, that's it. I'm just gonna put this on low for about 6 hours. If your chicken's defrosted, it doesn't need too much time. If they were frozen, I would maybe do 8 hours. But you guys, wait till you see this. This turns out so good, so yummy, just falls apart, perfect for bowls. And you guys, I just made what? 6 chicken breasts. I'm gonna make it in 6 hours. And it's delicious. This is like a family fave of ours. Okay, so here's the jasmine rice. This is just 1 cup of jasmine rice and then 1.5 cups of water. And then to make it like Mexican rice, I just add this little can. Well, not the whole can. I'm just gonna do like 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes and the juice. I'm just gonna add that in there. Let's see. I'm gonna do like 2 tablespoons. And that's it. And then you just make it cook or let it cook, and I'll show you how it turns out. So when you're sauteing fajita style bell peppers, you're gonna wanna get your pan super hot. So I let that heat up for a few minutes with olive oil in it and then pour in my peppers. And you're only gonna wanna stir it like every, maybe even 5 minutes. You're gonna feel like you're burning it, but you're not. You gotta let it sit to get that really good dark char that fajitas are famous for, that really good flavor. Okay, so do you see all that beautiful, delicious char you have on those vegetables? So these are done. So you can just turn this off. We will wait for the chicken to be done, shred that up. The rice is already done, and we're about to be able to assemble our fajita bowls. So this cooked on low and high. I kind of switch it around for 4 hours. So as you can see, it's just like falling apart. It's so good. So the key to not having dry chicken in a crock pot is once it's done cooking, turn it off and let it sit for like 30 minutes. And it's gonna soak up all of these juices and stay nice and juicy and it won't get all dried out. So this is the finished product. I made 9 meals. This is 4 ounces of the chicken, the Mexican rice, I do 2 ounces, and then the sauteed bell peppers. I switched it up just for some variety and just drained and rinsed corn and black beans. So I have some of those. So again, this made 9 meals. It comes out to about $3 a meal. And it's delicious. So you can eat it just like this, like a bowl. You can pour it over salad, add salsa. Super good, super healthy, and super cheap. I know some people think meal prepping is expensive. It's not.